Welcome back to the channel. Today we're here with Santiago. We recorded this video of this car back in January. So we're gonna do a little update because he's done a few things to it and then know a little bit about his future plans. Santiago, let us know what you've been up to, man.
I've just been working on it, trying to get it right, slowly. A lot of trouble, but it's running now, so.
Let's check it out. So I see, right off the bat, I see some wheels. How long have you had these wheels there?
Dada, what's on the thing?
For that? Almost a month now.
A month?
Yeah, I had to do some trimming, put some different suspension on it.
Oh, okay.
You want me, Dada? Second gear?
Looks good, man.
It's a
What size are they?
24s, 9 in the rear. 9 in the front, 10s in the back
Oh, okay.
with the spacer. We get the frame notched out and I'll be able to tuck the wheels.
Okay, you're gonna do a notch on the frame?
Yeah, frame notch. Get some coilovers for the rear to set it down.
That'd be nice. What brand of coilovers you looking at?
QA1.
Okay. Those are good. Those are good ones, man.
Relocate the shocks and yeah, it'll be them together.
Yeah, that's right. What else have you done or any issues from the last time?
Finally got all the exhaust work done at MTZ Muffler in Lubbock.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna get some tips soon. That's just what they put on for now.
Yeah.
With some flow masters in the middle.
You got some flow masters?
Yeah, true duals. All exhaust work is done. No cats.
Nice. I know last time it was missing somehow, like misfiring.
Pipe, yeah. Now it runs great. I put a new harness on it. Rewired it all up myself. Did a lot of deep-pinning.
Okay. So you just completely got rid of the harness we had in the last video and you just went brand new?
Yeah, with it's just a PSI harness. Put all the computer, fuse box, everything in the inside, in the factory location.
Oh, okay.
Put a ICT billet, alternator bracket, power steering, just to make it look a little bit better.
Yeah, it does look good.
I got a new water pump coming, a Camaro one, so it'll shorten this up quite a bit.
Okay.
I'm gonna move this to the trunk.
The battery?
Yeah, a couple weeks. Slowly. Put the catch can 2 days ago.
Oh, I see it back here.
I put a new dipstick on it, which I haven't mounted it because I got the bracket coming. That's gonna mount it to right there, so it's just seated for now. It's just better than the original, you know, chrome.
Yeah, looks good. Man, and a lot of people say that when you use these intakes, that it will not clear the hood, but yours did, right?
Yes, sir.
See?
Just some Amazon engine harnesses did it.
I've seen a lot of guys say that it won't fit, but obviously it does.
Yeah,
Clears everything.
Don't hit. I didn't have to cut the hood. I am gonna get a car intake eventually, LS1 intake.
Yeah. Now you did say that this used to hit a little bit, right? Because it came to the side or something?
With the cold air intake tube, with the bend on it, it would hit. So I just ran with that one after I switched to electric fans.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man, it's
I got it
looking
tuned
good.
through the tuner to just come on at 205 or above.
Oh, okay. That's when it kicks on?
Does a good job keeping it to temp.
You want to crank it up for us now so we can hear it? I know last time it had a misfire and it was missing no exhaust. It was just the headers. So now, he said he's got it tuned. I can hear the exhaust. Nice, man. And you said you've been driving it to Lubbock to work?
Yeah, I've been driving it to Lubbock.
Nice.
Every other day. Runs good.
Runs good?
I think I need air conditioner.
Definitely, man. Yeah, I think you definitely need some AC.
Yeah, it's too hot.
So that's one of your plans also, to add a compressor and dryer and everything to it?
Yes, sir. Eventually, in like a month or two.
And get it done.
I'm gonna probably pull the engine out in a couple weeks to paint all the engine bay.
Oh, okay.
Go away with that box if I don't go to AC.
So you're gonna get rid of all this?
Yeah, I'm debating right now. The plate that goes there is like $50.
Yeah.
It'll look much cleaner. Probably relocate the coils over there. Slowly but surely.
Yeah, it looks good, man. And Lubbock, for people that don't know, from here is about how many miles, you say?
40 miles.
40?
For sure.
So 40 miles that way, 40 miles back. And he's been driving it every day to work. It's been running good, no problems, no issues. And of course, he's still got a few things he wants to do to it. What are some other things that are coming up that you're gonna do to it? Plans, besides like moving the battery to the back?
Oh, the interiors must, yeah.
Interior? Are you gonna just redo what it has, or are you gonna just put different seats or?
Yeah, probably go with some bucket seats.
Bucket seats?
Yes, sir.
You had some before, right? You said you didn't like those?
They were too small. They're racing seats.
Oh, okay,
Yeah,
so not very comfortable.
Squeeze the body too much.
Nice.
Get a new Dakota digital dash.
Oh yeah,
Gotta have that.
that's sweet, man. Like that's one thing that I love on mine. That everything's there. It looks good.
Cause with the 4060, you gotta have an adapter to read how fast you're going. And with these dash, you can't tell your oil pressure, coolant temp, nothing like that.
Yeah,
So
you kind of got to know what's going on, huh?
it's a must.
Yeah, that's good. Anything else? What about future paint plans on this?
Maybe next summer.
Next
Go
summer?
ahead and paint it maroon.
Maroon?
Just trying to get all the engine and suspension done.
Yeah. Yep. That's what I did on mine too. I wanted to make sure it ran and all that first, then paint. But
And paint.
yours looks good, man. Like even in primer, looks
Thanks,
nice.
Been thinking about putting a clear coat on it just for now.
Just to protect it a little bit.
No, just so it shines.
Just to shine.
It's so dull.
Okay.
When it rains and it's wet, it looks decent. So,
Yeah.
but I got a lot of body work to do. Get rid of all the rivets.
Oh yeah, I see that. So you got
Fix
the rivets from that chrome piece that goes there. If I can see them there. So you're gonna get rid of all of that.
Yes,
Just
sir.
smooth it out. Heck yeah, man. So your 4L60's been doing good?
Oh yeah, no trouble at all. Big wheels. Still stays at temp.
Does good.
Don't slip. Still spins them if I want to.
Does it? Yeah. He did say he's looking for different wheels. He's probably gonna do something different. It would be a different look eventually. And he's got these for now. Do these wheels rub like the rear ones at all?
The rears don't rub, so just the fronts.
Just the fronts do?
Yeah.
It's just a little bit?
Yeah, not too bad. You don't have the full turning.
Okay.
Because it does hit the frame in there. If you wanted to, you'd have to cut the frame as well.
Okay. So you'd have to cut into the frame a little bit if you didn't want it to hit?
Yeah, I don't want to do that really, so.
Yeah. No, I see what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then in this piece, what are you missing here?
Just the other grill. I had it,
Oh, okay.
and then we're at a family thing, and somebody pushed up on the car, and it snapped it off.
Oh, fella.
So yeah, I'll get a new one eventually.
Yeah. Okay.
Probably take the other one off for now, so it looks.
It looks the same.
Yeah.
Well, that's good, man. I appreciate you making some time, man. It's coming along. So after you tuned it, that misfire and all that went away?
Oh yeah, for sure. It was the harness. Is what it was.
It was the harness?
Yeah, them cheap eBay ones. They're most likely, they're all pinned wrong.
Yeah, that's one thing. Some of these things, you can't go too cheap because it won't work sometimes like it should. And then you're having to buy another one. So on some parts, it's better off just getting the better part. Right, Santiago?
Yes,
Sometimes,
sir.
yeah, some cheaper stuff does work the same, but
Yep.
Like wiring's pretty important in these LSs.
BP Automotive is the way to go. $600. Comes with everything.
The whole thing?
Yeah. Even
Heck
comes with
yeah.
a computer if you need one.
Really? Well, good, man.
Comes with the mass airflow sensor, the map sensor.
So it's ready to go, huh?
Ready to go. That's the way to do it.
Nice.
Just got to get the computer flashed and it'll run.
That's good, man. Well, I appreciate you, man. Wanted to make a quick video, an update. Because I know some of the guys were keeping up with your car in the last video. And now they can see how it's going now. Now you actually drive it to work.
Yes, sir.
So it's on the road. That's what he said. By this summer, my goal is to have it on the road and take it back and forth to work. So he accomplished that goal. Next goal is getting little things here and there that he wants, accomplished. We're gonna be coming back for updates, and when it's completely done, painted, like the done deal, then we'll make a really nice video for him. That way we can show it off to the public so everybody can check out this G-body on the road. So Santiago, man, I appreciate your time, man.
Yes, sir.
And thank you for having us over again, and keep us updated.
Yes,
so we
sir.
can let everybody know how it's going. See you guys on the next video. Thank you all so much for watching.